Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Are you looking for an insanely pretty gift for someone or for yourself? This beautiful lighted lamp from AMWGIMI is absolutely gorgeous. It is so pretty and easy to use. It's the perfect accessory to make a room feel even brighter. This lamp is completely rechargeable and it has 3 light settings. You can see as you flick through each of them, they each have their own unique quality thanks to all of the crystals and LED lights behind them. The sunflowers themselves are made out of silk and they are really realistic looking. I was highly impressed as soon as I saw this lamp. I also really like the lamp because it's a petite size. So it's about 7.5 inches high and 5 inches across, making it the cutest little piece for a nightstand or for your living room table or for on your desk. I have a friend that is a huge sunflower fan and I'm so excited to be able to give this to her. I just think that it is absolutely adorable. I love that you don't have to plug it in and that it's completely rechargeable and it's so easy and cute to use. If you're looking for the perfect little accessory for yourself or someone else, this is a really lovely gift to get them. They will be in love with the beautiful, bright sunflowers that automatically make your day every time. But that's just my point of view.